Welcome to your personal financial website, an informational portal customized specifically for you to stay connected to your financial picture. From this site, you have access to unique information and insights, account details, your investment dashboard, a document vault, instant access to any of your devices, and more. Let's explore the site together. When you log in, you'll see your personalized homepage. Across the top, you have quick access to the other pages of your portal. Below, your accounts and total portfolio value are listed front and center. Next to your accounts, you'll also find your top holdings for quick reference. You can stay connected to your financial team with clickable links to phone numbers, emails, and office locations. You can also quickly contact your advisor while on the go. In addition to contacting us, we will send you communications and updates from your team, all directly within the portal. The Portfolio Dashboard is where you can view additional details about your portfolio. The dashboard gives you a dynamic overview with performance cards highlighting key information. To get even more detail, you can click on the title of each card. You can also use the drop-down menu to switch between the different cards quickly. All of this is completely customizable using the filters to select specific date ranges, portfolios, or accounts. Securely sharing and managing documents is key to working with your wealth management team. The Vault page is where you can keep track of all your important financial and legal documents. From here, you can organize your documents into folders, drag and drop to upload new documents, and easily move files from one folder to another. The Vault is also an area where we can share documents with each other through the Shared Folders option. From the Statements and Reports folders, you have quick access to view investment-focused reports created by your financial team. On the My Accounts page, you can see a detailed list of your accounts. Balances and statuses are viewable at a glance. You can expand each account to see your holdings and their individual values. Keep track of their status and updates directly from your portal. The timeline highlights all of your interactions with us, along with key decisions we've made together. From quarterly review recaps to updates on relevant market trends and forecasts, the timeline gives you a quick snapshot of how we are working together to reach your financial goals. Your personalized portal keeps you connected to your financial life, your advisory team, and everything else you need for managing your wealth. If you have any questions, please contact us. We are always here for you.